Tired of nutrition tracking feeling like a chore? Let's dive into MyFitnessPal vs Cronometer to find out which app can actually make reaching your dietary goals easier. First up, MyFitnessPal. It's known for its massive food database, built by a large community, making it incredibly easy to find almost any food you can think of. See that barcode scanner on the bottom? Point it at a product, and boom, nutrition info is right there. A super convenient feature for on-the-go tracking. Now, let's switch gears to Cronometer. While its database might not be as vast as MyFitnessPal's, it prides itself on the accuracy of its data. Cronometer focuses on verified sources and lab-analyzed foods, ensuring you get the most precise nutrient breakdown possible. Notice all of the micronutrients listed. That's a key Cronometer strength. When it comes to macro tracking, both apps do the job, showing you carbs, fats, and protein. MyFitnessPal offers a simpler, more visually driven interface, which some find easier to digest at a glance. But Cronometer really shines in micronutrient tracking. It offers a much more comprehensive breakdown, displaying vitamins, minerals, and even amino acids. This detailed approach is fantastic for those with specific dietary needs or health goals, like optimizing nutrient intake for performance. Feature-wise, MyFitnessPal leans into social aspects, letting you connect with friends for support and motivation. Think sharing recipes and progress updates. Cronometer, on the other hand, offers deeper customization. You can tailor it to very specific diets like keto, vegan, or even custom ratios. It also syncs with many fitness trackers for a holistic view of your health. So, which app is right for you? If you value a massive database and ease of use, MyFitnessPal is a great choice. But if you prioritize accuracy, detailed micronutrient tracking, and customization, Cronometer takes the crown. Ultimately, the best app is the one you'll consistently use to reach your health goals.